आसाम पोनोत्रे अडी जस्ती दा जड़िए कना जहां खतीते अडिकान टोठारे डूबा रेना चितर नेलनामा कना नुआ डूबा दाग रेना ऐसे तो आसाम पोनोत्रेना 35 गोटां होनोत्रे नेलनामा कना साथे नुआ डूबा दाते 47 लक्ष खन हो ढेर होर एटकेटोरे मेना कोआ आ निया सेरमा 82 गटें होर को गयगुरा कना जस्ती दा जड़ी खतीते और यूनियन मिनिस्टर अमित शाह आज ट्वीट तालारे ओलाकादे जे आसाम और मेघालय रे जस्ती दा जड़ी बाबते खोज तला से हातावदाय साथे लेखिदा जे लोगन के तानमा सरकार पहाटा कोना गड़ो नामा अमित शाह आसाम रे सीएम हेमंत बिश्व शर्मा साव आसाम डुबदा बाबते फोन ते केंद्र पोड़ा कना
as of now, whole the Assam is affected from floods, and all our teams are deployed, and around 14 teams officially, but we have more than those teams which are working. And as of now, up to the data that we have till yesterday, we had already rescued 7,600 more than this, and now rescue operation is still going on.
How many troops are involved there in evacuating the people?
Our 14 teams are there on ground at different places. Actually, the figure is more than that. Officially 14 figures. Still, we have beyond our teams which are deployed, we have moved in additional troops from our headquarters. So they are working in different places in Assam.
Sir, any teams from the outside of the Assam hasn't come up to the state to assist the first NDRF teams in this period, sir?
As of not as yet, but maybe if a situation grows further serious, then the additional teams might be brought from outside.
Sir, President, how many NDRF persons have been deployed in this rescue operation, sir?
More than 400.
Yes, as I said, there are 14 teams deployed, and if you say in the terms of manpower, there are more than 400 people which are deployed.